Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
And things happen sometimes. And when we were recording our Empties video, a full big chunk of that video went missing in the editing process. But guess what? We found it. It did go missing. I can see you out of the corner of my eye. It wasn't there. Anyway, it is back. So we have it right here for you. The missing Empties. And sometimes I would let it go, but there's some good stuff in there. Like good stuff that I want to share with you. So keep watching.
Flower Beauty, which is a Drew Barrymore makeup
entity
company, yes, was previously sold at Walmart. Don't think it is anymore.
We couldn't find it there.
Did not find it. I bought this from Ulta. It's the Light Illusion Perfecting Powder. I loved it. I never ever get too pan on a powder. Never. I loved it so much. It comes with like a sponge, which I must have used it at some point. But I just love this powder. It was a great powder. And super affordable.
Did you rebuy it yet?
I did.
That is fantastic. Best top coat in the land. This is the Seche Vite. However, can you see this? I don't know if you can see this. There's still some in there. This happens to every bottle of Seche Vite that I own, and that it dries out. Now you can see that it's, there's still some in there, and but it is, you smell it. Woo!
I know, I don't like the smell.
But it is the best top coat out there, I believe, personally. And but once you start using it, it will eventually dry out. They all do. But I got a lot of it.
Would you put that over like a dip?
No. No.
Maybelline Dream Cushion Fresh Face Liquid Foundation on the go. This is like one of those, I love these for summertime. It's nice and thin for summertime. I have noticed now during the wintertime I need a little more coverage. So I have moved on to something different. But I have just repurchased 2 of these. I guess I'll hang on to them for a while. No, that seems gross. Huh? I might just use
they probably have a date.
I just bought a very expensive foundation too. So
what'd you get?
The Tarte Amazonian.
Oh yeah.
Whatever.
You wearing it today?
No.
No. So this is from the Chemistry brand, which is it's one of the Deciem brands, a sister brand of The Ordinary. And this is their Hand Chemistry Pro Repair Skincare for Hands. And I think my hands are super ugly, so I was like, I'll throw some money at that. No. It was a fine lotion. They're just old and wrinkly and unattractive, and I don't enjoy them. But they really are. But
just put a manicure on it and then you're good.
It helps, yes. Yes. And in the winter especially, this is why I spend money on my nails, because it makes me not hate my hands. But it smelled nice. It was moisturizing. It did not give me 20-year-old hands. For $8, I'm shocked. It did not fully resurface my hands.
Think of things we did not appreciate at 20 years old. The look of our hands. Jeez. And
I should have put sunscreen on my hands growing up.
When you're driving,
I know.
Sunscreen.
I totally understand the ladies who wear the gloves. Oh, that's a look. Should have worn gloves.
Okay. This is the Botanics Hydration Burst Light Serum. I was using
I've never heard of this.
It's a Target. It's not. It's not empty.
It's not empty.
It's just a hydrating serum that I was trying to use instead of purchasing the Sunday Riley.
Not a fan.
No, it's great. I was thinking it was has hyaluronic acid, but I don't even think it has that in it. I don't even know what it has. It's made by the Boots Company.
Oh yes.
I liked it. I probably will rebuy it. Just because.
Speaking of Deciem, these are 2 different things. That's funny. Okay, so these are both from The Ordinary. And did you know, so if you follow Deciem or The Ordinary on social media, their former CEO.
Did he leave or get fired?
He was bored. Ousted. I hope he gets help, because he would post things that were honestly scary to watch, and it was like watching someone come undone, and it made me uncomfortable. And I stopped buying things from the brand because the whole thing made me uncomfortable. He's no longer. And like he was like, the company is shutting down, and then he was ousted, and now the company is no longer shutting down.
Do they still have affordable prices?
I believe so. I don't think anything has changed. Anyway, I have two things. This is the Gran Active Retinoid 2% emulsion, which is previously called the Advanced Retinoid 2%. I have used it under both names. Love this so much. So much. So much. Notice such a difference. I need to reorder it. This is one of their vitamin C serums. This is the Ascorbyl Glucoside 12%. I didn't love this as much. They have another vitamin C that people really like. I just didn't notice anything. This did anything, but I think it's very hard, from what I understand, to keep a vitamin C stable and from going off.
Like sliding off your face?
No, like in the packaging to like keep the vitamin C stable.
Okay, all right.
Anyway, I didn't love this, but I love their 2% retinoid. So it's $6.
That's what scares me.
Much.
It scares me. It's like chemistry. Like I'm afraid. Like, can I put that on my face with like?
I would
something like
alternate like a retinoid galactica, but I mean, you know me. This is not harsh on your skin at all. And I have switched to Differin. Now I could use this nightly. I have to use Differin like every 3 nights, where my skin literally starts like gets like it doesn't peel. It gets really thin to the point like if I have any sort of breakout, it like won't heal over the top. Like the skin is like too thin.
Yeah.
So yeah, I have to be very careful with the Differin. So I'm gonna go back. I don't know where I keep getting these minis.
Where did these minis come from?
I have so many minis. I haven't had a full size in a long time, and I just keep blowing through these minis.
Or something, right? I just saw these here. Hot tip: buy the extra full size from TJ Maxx.
Yes, I did that once with you.
Yeah,
it's like $6 for the giant one, and this is $4.99 in Target.
Yeah. Mine was cherry. I don't like the cherry. I like the no smell or the tropical one. Right?
Same.
Okay. This is, I just went again. It Cosmetics by Jamie Kern. I buy this on QVC because that's where you get the best price at. It's the Bye Bye Pores Transparent Powder. I love it a lot.
Translucent.
What did I say? Transparent? Because, yeah, it's translucent. Thank you very much again.
I know, I'm a pain in the ass.
It's okay.
These are the Rimmel Match Perfection concealers. I don't think they make these anymore. These are 2 different packages.
Don't you hate it when they stop making something you like? Yeah, what the hell?
Yeah, I like this a lot. This was the color 125 there. I liked it a lot. I don't believe they make it anymore. If they do, I'm sorry. I'll link it below if I can find it. But I liked this. It was a good match. It wore well. It didn't settle into fine lines. It was nice.
Awesome. Oh my god, I can't even. This is a Lancome. I have rubbed off the name. I don't even know. Do you know the name of this one? God, I need to wear grandma glasses.
I just went like this. Hypnose Drama.
Good mascara. They make a great mascara, Lancome.
Yeah?
Don't you think so?
I haven't used a Lancome mascara in a long time.
No, for high-end mascara.
You know me and my voluminous.
Hey, I'm using that right now. I love it. So this came in like a box or like a Sephora Play or something like that. It's a great mascara. I used it.
This is another concealer, Infallible Pro Glow.
Yeah.
You don't like it? Here's the weird thing.
Thin.
When I put it on under my eye, like for a split second, my eye burns. Like without touching it. It's like there's some sort of like fume or something in here. I stopped using it. I used it for a long time. It's a nice thing. I like the formula. It's very lightweight. I don't like it in winter, but in summer when I was just trying to go for like a much lighter makeup look. Now I'm like, give me all the makeup. I did like it for that. And I would actually just use this, like just concealer. I would just kind of like dart it over it. But it made my eyes burn, so maybe this is not the product.
God, that's awful. Okay, I have this. It's wrapped up because it was leaking. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Mist. It was like almost gone in my cabinet, and I pulled it out, and there was like, it was all wet. And I was like, did it eat through the bottle? See, you can see it dripping out.
That's so funny, and there's not like a crack or anything in it.
No, nothing. So I was like, where is it coming from? That kind of grosses me out. So anyway, this was okay. I wouldn't buy this again. This was like a hyaluronic acid spray.
This is not empty, but it's in here because it's been abandoned. This is the, wait, is this empty?
You abandoned it?
Okay, this is the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color, why do I have two? Oh, okay.
What?
I like the formula of this quite a bit. I had a hard time color matching, and then I went too light, and then I'm not good at returning things, and that's the problem with the drugstore foundation is you can't test it. So I really like the formula of the Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation, but this is the color 105 Fair Ivory, and I had a hard time matching. This was not.
They have a lot of shades though, don't they?
Yeah, and then I went too light. And then,
you gotta like mix the two. Yeah, nobody's got time for that. Okay, this is my last one. It is this Big Sexy Hair Powder Play. I've talked about it a million times on this channel. It gives me a little, especially my hair is thinning again. I don't know why, but anyway, gives it a little zhuzh. I love the way it smells too.
This is my last thing.
Oh, sad.
I love this. This is the Milk Makeup Blur Stick. This is the mini.
Is that what you're buying from Sephora?
Yes. I'm gonna go rebuy the full size. I love this so much. Now, I bought the e.l.f. knockoff version. There's a lot of these pore sticks.
I don't like that one.
Me either.
Yeah, I don't like it either.
There's a lot of pore sticks. This one's silicone free, as is the e.l.f. I thought I would like it. I just don't. It doesn't do for me what this does. This just gives my foundation just such a nice base. And I use it only on the parts of my skin that get oily. So just kind of like the bridge of my nose, pores, forehead. I just loved this. And I used it like, I was like swiping stuff out of the, the base there. But did you see like, I don't know, I don't know if the mini isn't formulated as well as the full size or if the full size has its problem, but like a couple of like little,
I had problems with the twisting.
Yes, but I did love this,
Yeah,
and I
I
will
did too.
rebuy it. They have a really fun like set of the minis for the holiday that's like $29.39. It comes with 8 of them, and it's like this one and under eye one, and I don't know. I'm kind of intrigued, but I should probably just go for the one full size that I know I will love.
Right?
Yes. Thanks for coming back for this bonus empties video. Catch all of our countdown to Christmas videos, and we'll see you in another video very soon.